Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely connect a kettle wire. Before you begin, always ensure your kettle is completely unplugged from the wall outlet to prevent any electrical hazards. You will need a few basic tools: wire strippers, a suitable screwdriver, and a new 3-pin plug. Make sure the new plug's rating is compatible with your kettle's power requirements for safe operation. Next, let's identify the wires inside your kettle cord. You will typically find 3 distinct colors. The brown wire is the live wire, which carries the current. The blue wire is the neutral wire, completing the circuit. Finally, the green and yellow wire is the earth wire, a crucial safety feature designed to prevent electric shock. Knowing these colors is vital for correct connection. Now, let's connect the wires to the new plug. First, use wire strippers to remove approximately 1 centimeter of insulation from the end of each wire. Then, securely attach the brown live wire to the terminal marked L. Connect the blue neutral wire to the terminal marked N. Finally, fasten the green and yellow earth wire to the terminal marked E. Ensure all connections are firm and tight. Before finishing, perform a thorough check of all your connections to confirm they are correct and tight. Once satisfied, carefully reassemble the plug casing, ensuring all screws are firmly tightened. Now, you can plug your kettle into a wall outlet. Add water and switch it on, listening for the usual heating sound. Observe for any unusual smells or sounds, ensuring safe and proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.